Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sheila. Today we're going to be learning how to make the Kylie Jenner inspired crop top. This is basically a simple box that you can make in any stitch. So I decided to make one that looks almost the same as hers. I believe hers was made by knitting, but we are going to do a crochet version which looks almost close to what she has. And I saw this and I think they were selling it at $300, and I decided to do a DIY for you guys so that you can achieve the same exact look for your top. And I'm going to be taking you through each and every step of how to achieve this same exact top. The stitch is really interesting because it's textured. You can see that. And then I modified it a bit because for Kylie's top it was pointed at the top, meaning it didn't have enough coverage in the sides, especially for the bigger sizes. So I modified it a bit. I'll be showing you how. And then yeah, this is basically it. So let's get into the video. For this project, you'll need a few items, and these include the Alize Cotton Gold Plus or any 4-ply yarn. So this is what I'm going to be using, and then a measuring tape, a pair of scissors, a tapestry needle. This is my tapestry needle, and then a 6mm crochet hook. So let's get started. So for extra small, you'll consider 13 inches. For small, you'll consider 14 inches. For medium, you'll consider 15 inches. For large, you'll consider 16. And then for XL, you'll consider 17 to 18 inches. So I'm going to let you know what these measurements are for. So you're going to grab your yarn, and then you're going to make a slip knot. And then we're going to make a chain of that measurement that you need for your size. So just continue, like keep working chains until you get to the measurement that you need for your size. So the number of chains should be an even number. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So I have made a total of 40 chains, and 40 chains stretch to around 15 inches, which is for size medium. And then you're going to do one more chain, which will make it to 41 chains, and then make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So not this one, but the second one. Make a single crochet, then make a double crochet in the next chain, single crochet in the next chain, double crochet in the next chain. So we are alternating between single crochet and double crochet. Single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. So at the end of the row, you're going to have the same number of stitches as the chains that you made at the beginning. So I'll have a total of 40 stitches. So keep alternating between single and then double crochet, and your work will look like this. I know right now it doesn't really show, but it will show eventually. This Alternating these stitches will create an effect of texture on your top, which we've seen in the Kylie Jenner top. So this is why I decided to use this stitch. So I'm going to go all the way across, alternating between single and double crochet, and I'll meet you back when we have a total of 40 stitches, or whatever stitches that you made for your size. Okay, so this is how the first row looks like, and I ended with a double crochet. I started off with a single crochet at the beginning, so that's something to note. You always start with a single and then end with a double. So for row 2, you're going to chain up 1, turn your work, and you're going to place 1 single crochet in every double crochet and 1 double crochet in every single crochet. So we've chained up 1 and turned, and then since we ended with a double crochet, you'll have a single crochet in that double crochet, and then you'll have a double crochet in the single crochet, single crochet in the double crochet, then double crochet in the single crochet. So you can notice that there are some stitches that are longer than others. So this is a long stitch, meaning it's a double crochet, so it will get a single crochet. And then this is a short stitch, meaning it's a single crochet, so you'll place a double crochet there. So all you need to do is to alternate between the 2 stitches. So whenever you have a double crochet, you're going to place a single crochet on it, and then whenever you have a single crochet, you'll place a double crochet on it. So that's the repeat for row 2. You're going to just keep working, 1 single crochet in every double crochet and 1 double crochet in every single crochet. So this is one of those easiest stitches that creates texture. We're coming to the end of the row, and I'm placing a double crochet here, then a single crochet here, and then a double crochet in that very last single crochet. So I told you at the end of every row we shall have a double crochet. We always start with a single and then always end with a double, so keep that in mind. So this is the texture it's creating, and both sides are going to look the same because we are working while turning our work after every row. So row 3 is going to basically be the same as row 2. So chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in that very first stitch, which is a double crochet, then double crochet in the single crochet after, single crochet in the double crochet in the single crochet. So that's all we're going to keep repeating, and then I'm going to give some instructions. You're going to continue working until this length makes it to this length. So we want a perfect square. for our work. You're going to keep working these same exact rows. You're going to repeat row 3 or row 2, because they're the same exact type of rows. You're going to repeat those rows until you get this measurement the same as this. That's all you're going to do. So keep working until you have a perfect square. So if you had 15 inches here stretched, you should have 15 inches here. So I'm going to keep working until I get that measurement, and then I'll get back to you guys when I have that, and I'll let you know how many rows that I did to achieve that. But this will entirely depend on your tension, on the type of yarn that you use, on the hook that you're using. So don't really rely on the number of rows that I did, because you may need more rows basing on the different things, the different items that you use for your project. So I'm going to keep working, and I'll get back to you guys when I have a perfect square, and then we shall start shaping the top. So this is the texture, you can see that. So I went ahead to do a total of 32 rows. That's what I needed to achieve the same measurement on this side and on this side. So let's take some measurements. And you can see this stretches to 15 inches. And then this also stretches to 15 inches. So this is almost a perfect square. And now we're going to do some shaping for the neck. You can see for the top that Kylie is wearing, they just put strings up here like that. But I just noticed that such a kind of top doesn't have a lot of coverage for our bust. So I decided to switch it up a bit. I'm going to fold here. I'm going to measure off 3 inches down, or even 4 or 3.5, somewhere between there, and I'll fold my work. Let me consider 4 inches. I'm going to fold my work. You're going to decide which corner you're going to fold. Any corner can work. You just measure off 4 inches and fold. And then we are going to get our yarn. You're going to use your tapestry needle. And put some yarn through. I'm going to just make a simple knot here. Or you can leave this out, you can leave it hanging. So you're going to turn your work to this side, and we want to attach this part. So I'm going to just go into a few stitches on the bottom. Just make sure you don't put your hook through to the other side, because this is the side that we want people to see, so it should be really neat. So just lay it flat and get a few stitches on this side. You can see I'm not putting my hook through to be seen on this side. So just get a few stitches here, and we are going to pin down this corner here. So you're going to just go into random stitches and keep pinning down that section. I think this side is okay now, so I'm going to cross over to the other side. Like that, and then I'm going to pin down this part while going down to the corner. Yeah, so this is what I have right now, and I'm going to cut my yarn here and then make a knot with this very chain that I left behind. You just make sure it's tight enough. So after that, you're going to cut, and then I'm going to show you how it looks like on the other side. This is how it looks like. So it's like we haven't tampered with the top at all because the stitches don't show through. And then you're going to make a chain of 100. I've already done my chain, a very simple chain of 100, and you're going to pass it through here, through this gap, like this. So you can decide what you want to do. You can attach straps here and here, but I just decided to pass it through that space, and this is going to go at the back of our neck. And then you're going to make 2 more chains of 100. So this is another chain of 100. You're going to fold it into half and then go to this side and skip a few stitches. So I'm going to put my hook through there and I pull through. So pass your fingers through this loop and grab this and tighten. You pull it tight so that it's firm enough, and you're going to do the same to this side. So grab your chain, grab your hook, go inside a few stitches, pull through, and then pull through these loops, and that's it. This is basically the top. It's very easy to make. I saw it sold at $300, so I decided to make one for you guys so that you can make one for yourselves in case you wanted this same exact top. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this tutorial. I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.